Today we are going to learn how to find and remove blemishes in Photoshop. So the first thing that we have to do is to create a black-white adjustment layer. Then simply decrease the red. Now, you will be able to see all the blemishes. Now what happened is, the image become a little dark. So you can create a curves adjustment layer. Put it under the black and white adjustment layer and adjust drag up to shadow. Now you see all the blemishes. At this point, you can create a blank layer on top of the background layer or the subject layer. Zoom in sample from a non-blemish area. Take the regular healing brush tool, the second one right over here. Hold the Alt key or the Option key. Click on it, and paint over the blemish. Keep going, keep removing the blemishes. And when you are done, just delete the curves and black and white adjustment layer. And that is how you get blemish-free skin. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.